we multiply our units by 10, it becomes 10. When we divide our units by 10, it becomes tens. When we multiply our 10 by 10, it becomes hundreds. And when we divide our tens by 10, it becomes hundreds. And so on and so on. What if we have What happens if we have 12 pieces of our 10,000s? Since it is over 10, we can't use it, so we have to take away 10 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 pieces of 10,000 makes 1,000. As you can see, our answer here is just the same as our pieces from our 10,000s. If we have our meter for our unit, when we multiply our unit meter by 10, it becomes 10, which becomes our decameter. When we divide our units by 10, it becomes tens, which is our decimeter. When we multiply our 10 by 10s, it becomes hectometer. When we divide our 10s by 10, it becomes centimeter. When we multiply our hundreds by 10, it becomes kilometer. When we divide our hundreds by 10, it becomes millimeter. What if we have 9 hectometers equals decameters? Since this is going down, we have to multiply it. So we multiply 10 by 9. So 10 times 9 is equal to 90. So 9 hectometers is equal to 90 centimeters. Will you like another presentation?
Yes, please. Thank you.
For my next presentation, I'll be showing you a called Philippine president. Before we start, can you identify this president?
Uh-oh. That's Cory Aquino. Oh, sorry. Corazon Aquino. That's Fidel V. Ramos. Oh, we had dinner together sometime in the past, so